In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disappearing mouse cursor in Windows 10 and 11. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry, I'm here to help you through it in just a few minutes. First off, one of the simplest and quickest solutions is to refresh your display drivers. To do this, just press the Windows key along with Control, Shift, and B all at the same time. You might notice your screen flash for a brief moment. This action should help reset the display drivers and hopefully make your cursor reappear. Now, if your cursor is still being stubborn and hasn't returned, let's try another approach. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Del together. This will bring up the security options screen where you can check if the cursor appears. If it does, simply press the ES key to return to your desktop. This method can help in situations where the cursor is not visible but is actually functioning just fine. Sometimes the solution can be as simple as restarting your computer. Computers can get a little overwhelmed with processes that might cause temporary glitches. By restarting your system, you give it a chance to start fresh, which may resolve your cursor issue. If the problem persists, we need to open the device manager for some deeper investigation. For this, press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. Then type dvmgmt.msc and hit Enter. Once the device manager window opens, navigate to the section labeled Mice and other pointing devices using the down arrow key, and then press the right arrow key to expand it. Next, locate your mouse or touchpad from the list, use the down arrow key to select it, and press Shift and F10 together to open the context menu. From here, press the down arrow until you highlight Update Driver and hit Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your mouse driver. This can often solve many cursor-related issues as it ensures your device is using the latest software available. If updating doesn't help, you might want to consider uninstalling the device. Again, within the context menu from your mouse, use the arrow keys to select Uninstall Device and press Enter. Don't forget to restart your computer after uninstalling. This might seem a little counterintuitive, but upon restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers for your mouse, often resolving any lingering issues. And there you have it. With these steps, I hope you've successfully brought back your missing mouse cursor. If not, it might be worth consulting a professional for further assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech solutions and troubleshooting tips.